This is why you should never mess with nature's heavyweights. These animals have the most powerful bites. First up, the grizzly bear, with a bite force of over 1,200 psi, it can snap a bowling ball in half. Next, the hippopotamus. Don't let its chill vibe fool you. Its bite force is a whopping 1,800 psi. Coming in third, the American alligator. This guy chomps down with 2,125 psi, enough to crush turtle shells like peanuts. Number two, the jaguar. This big cat bites with 1,500 psi, the strongest of all felines, and the crown goes to the saltwater crocodile. With a jaw-dropping 3,700 psi, it's the true king of the bite force world. Imagine biting down with the strength of a truck. So next time you see these animals, remember, they're not just cute and cuddly, they're nature's ultimate crushers.